Yo, what's going on everyone? Welcome back. My name is Will. This is the Wavy YouTube channel. Like always, got to hit you with that real quick sales pitch. If you get to the end of this video, you enjoyed it, you like this type of content, you like the Ranger Raptor, you like the GX550, you like the S650 Mustang, think about hitting that subscribe button right down below. Totally free to subscribe. Just sends you a quick little notification whenever I'm posting some content out there. But if you don't want to subscribe, that's cool. A like is always really appreciated as well. Now with that out of the way, let's get into today's video. So you all have asked for this plenty of times, and today I'm going to give it to you. I'm going to do a POV drive in my Ranger Raptor. If you're not too familiar with my build, go check out my channel. Got a whole playlist of the Ranger Raptor content. So yeah, gonna do that for you today. But before we do that, in my last video, you saw that I got a package just delivered. This was yesterday, and today I'm going to continue on with this, and it is from Lost Fit. So they blessed us with 2 sets of custom floor liners here. We got this set over here installed in my GX, and the one in this box right here is going to be for the Ranger Raptor. Really love Lost Fit's floor liners. Really good quality, heavy duty. If you do a lot of off-roading in like wet, muddy, snowy climates, these things really come in handy. They don't just fit the Ranger Raptor, they fit the entire Ranger lineup. So if you don't have the rubber floor mats from the factory, definitely go pick yourself up a pair of Lost Fit floor liners. I'm gonna have product link and website down in the description below, as well as a pretty sweet coupon code for anyone looking to buy these. So I'm gonna unbox these and let's get them thrown into the Ranger. So we got them all unboxed. As you can see, this is the one piece for the rear. It's one solid piece. So you got rear driver's seat, rear passenger side, and then obviously this goes up over the hump in the middle. So that's all one solid piece. Really like that. And then obviously we got the driver's side up here as well as the passenger side. And then in here you can see it has kind of like almost like a tire tread kind of pattern inside there. Really good for grip, especially if like, you know, you're coming out from like some wet terrain or anything like that, so your feet aren't sliding around in the interior. And if you're tracking in mud or anything, these grooves really will hold it from, you know, everything sloshing around. And then you can just literally pull these out, dump them, then throw them right back in, hose them down. Yeah, I really do love these floor liners. I've literally put these things in every single one of like my builds. They've been a great supporter of the channel. They have a bunch of different liners for a bunch of different types of vehicles. So yeah, like I said, their website is going to be down in my description. Go check them out. 90-day money back guarantee, lifetime warranty on these things, customer service. They're awesome to work with. So yeah, go get yourself a pair of some rad floor liners. So there you have it, the Lost Fit liners installed in my 2025 Ranger. They look sick, fit perfectly. So yeah, if you have a Ranger or any other truck, SUV, car, go check them out because these things are awesome. All right, everybody, so here is my truck, 2025 Ford Ranger Raptor. It's on the Fout 2.5-inch perch collars in the front. We are sitting on a set of Volk Racing TE37 XT M-Spec wheels on some Pro Comp XT 35-inch by 12.5-inch tires. So those are a 35 obviously, and we're gonna go ahead for a little ride now. Push that to right there. There you go, auto start. Engine wise, the truck is still fully stock. Just has a K&N drop-in air filter and an oil catch can. So yeah, that's pretty stock in my opinion. So we're gonna be doing a little bit of driving in sport mode, normal mode. We'll also do a little bit of driving in Baja mode as well. So let's go ahead and get to it. So I've had my Ranger Raptor now for just about 8 months. In those 8 months, I've racked up 18,000 miles. So it's definitely been driven. It's my daily driver. It's my work truck. I drive it every single day for work. I'm constantly on the road driving for work. So yeah, I've been definitely racking up those miles. I typically drive the car in normal mode. That's why I figured we'd start out with that today. And as you just saw right there, auto stop, that is the most annoying part, but we'll just go ahead and turn that off for now. My dash set up there, as you can see, I have the measurements laid out there now. I do like that setting the most. It kind of shows all different parameters and all of that of the Ranger Raptor. I also like this one as well. This is the My Gauges setting that you can configure that as you like. I always like to have boost gauge as well as air fuel ratio on there. Those are my two preferred, but obviously you can change it to how you wish, or you can have it here that just shows a bunch of different parameters, and if you click it, push the button one more time, it'll show all the other parameters as well. When you change your modes, your gauges will start to change as well. So in normal mode, you can see it's kind of like a darker with like blue kind of theming, and then when you go into Sport, Baja, anything like that, the colors will change. Alright, we've done some normal driving now. How about we switch it into sport mode? So as you can see down here, change it, the mode selector, into sport, and then as you see, the whole gauge cluster theme kind of changes as well. So here we are now in the most enjoyable mode, Baja mode. So a little bit more aggressive. You get the nice exhaust note. Does some stuff with the stability and traction control. As you can see, the gauge cluster has now changed again as well. You got like the yellow, so Alright everyone, so that's going to do it for this one. Quick video today. Really hope you enjoyed that POV in my 2025 Ford Ranger Raptor, and stay tuned for that whole review going over the lift and the bigger tires and all that. That's going to be coming at you guys pretty soon as well. And don't forget to go check out Lost Fit liners. Link's going to be down in the description, coupon code, all of that. Some kids just road pass on a quad, love to see that. But yeah guys, go check out those floor liners, discount code, all that good stuff. My name's Will, this is the With Me YouTube channel. Thanks for chilling with me, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Later everybody.